What now?
Just digging a bigger hole.
Can you maybe push me backwards? You're gonna be able to move it, Uncle Bobo. Try rocking it. Oh.
Oh God, I don't like the sound of that. What's down there?
That could be a problem. Basically, we're one with the ground. It's those running boards. Is there tow hooks on the front? We probably should have looked for that.
Negatory.
Huh. Well, we're gonna have to get it out of here somehow.
Well,
You give me this. You're going to have to get out there.
me?
No, not you. Okay, you and backup camera guy, put your backs against it and lift going backwards. And rock it. And I'm gonna back it up.
Yes. Selfies.
Oh, clickbait.
Might as well.
This is why I wear my helmet all the time. He's nuts.
All right, so we need to modify our Ford because the bumpers have got an issue here. Best way to modify a Ford? Modified. Now, I'm going to take off those perfectly good LED lights before they get wet. Well, this Exploder is not doing so great in the woods. One of the problems is the running boards. So we decided to deal with the running boards.
Off. The whole thing's off.
What happened?
The whole thing just came right off.
The whole running board?
Yep. So now we'll do the other side.
All right, unhook that one. I'll pull up and we'll hook the other one up.
Gotta do it again. Broke the strap.
Snapped it?
Snap the strap.
Oh man. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. We'll figure out another strap.
What is going on? The apocalypse is about to start.
Welcome back, gang. So, social distancing, this is about as distant as you can get. And everybody that's here lives in the same house. So, how do we provide content and abide by the social distancing and the things going on with the you-know-what? I can't say, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Well, you load up your Ford Explorer that you got for nothing, and you take it out into the woods to have some fun with it. And while you're there, you have a little barbecue, have a good time. We're going to start by unloading this sucker, maybe give it a little bit of paint job, and then see how it holds up. Let's go. Gotta be able to see where I'm going. Nothing too crazy yet, guys. I'm just gonna test her out and see how she feels. We're no good in the e-brake department, gang. I don't think I'm gonna be able to e-brake this one. I'm gonna try again. It appears to be seized and it's a foot e-brake. Pain in the butt. We'll give her another rounder though. No e-brake goodness. It does not like it. My main problem, gang, is a complete lack of power. We'll see what we can pull off here. Shifted. Let's see where this goes, Uncle Bobo.
I think it goes up to a strawberry patch.
Strawberry? Strawberry fields forever?
Yep.
Spot those ditches. I don't want to hit one doing 40 a mile an hour.
I don't know. It's a Ford.
I know, I can't believe it's still running. Do we have our helmets on? Maybe I should.
The way you're driving?
Yeah. Cameraman, you pass me by. Where can I? Don't let my KalTire hat get wrecked.
Giddy up, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom.
Much better for the
I'm just gonna
helmet. Good to go.
Yeehaw! I almost ended up with a new truck.
Save that one.
smoke show. Where's the road?
Uncle Bobo wins. So I'm in forward, but there's no hope. I tried. All right, gang. We'll see you in a minute.
You gonna let me have a turn?
Yeah, I'll come down and do a big drift. I tried driving over the edge there and it didn't pan out. So I'm gonna come down, do a big drift, and then yeah, you can have a turn then. Let me do one drift, okay? Hold on.
What a hogger.
It's holding up. Bobo wants a turn, so really I should give him a turn. I think we'll surprise him when we go down here, except for this stupid. You gotta turn the key off just to. Come on, there we go. I think the linkage might be a bit twisted, gang. Some rubbing, some popping, no big deal. Okay, come on, there we go. Oof. Yeah, we gotta give Uncle Bobo a turn before he basically just doesn't get one. This thing, man. The only thing that's really messed up is the linkage.
What the heck? Why doesn't he come wheeling down here?
Here, you want a turn?
Yeah, I want to turn.
Okay. It's well, it won't go into. There we go. There we go. Oh, this door is rough. Are you gonna try to go down that thing like I did without getting stuck? Oh,
All right,
Lord.
get out of the way. Let me have a turn.
Okay. No!
You get.
Oh, Lord. Hey, look, it's got a mag wheel for a spare. And really fancy blue shocks. Well, we are, yeah,
This will be fun.
it ain't no thing. We got this. Huh. Well, bit of a mishap here. I love how it's just suspended in midair. Rocket, boys. Let's get this sucker down where we can tow it out.
The stick's gonna go with it.
There she is. Woo. Now would be a good time to yard that 8.8 out. All right, gang, reach in and see if this sucker fires up. Let's see. Okay, Uncle Bobo's on it. Okay, you know what? That Cologne V6, well, it's made by Mazda, which helps, but you think you could get in this thing and just drive it? Uncle Bobo finally got his turn. Okay, back up. Yeah, come on. Keep going, yep. Perfect. It's a sweet moving chair. Here we go.
It's all yours.
Yeah, man.
Custom. Ow. Fasten the steering wheel.
Daily driven though?
Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
I'll race now.
Yeah.